actually a group in a Linux is a collection of users account that share the same access permission to the files. Suppose you have 10 QS which you want to assign a specific permission to test this specific file. So you will assign them to a specific group so that they have only some information like read or write or some execution. So that's why I use the group to specify and to categorize some user by group by group. And why? Group are used to simplify the management of the permission and access control on a Linux system. By assigning multiple users to a group, administrator can easily grant or revoke permission to all members of the group at once. So if you assign like 5 people to in a group, you can easily give them access at the same time. You don't have to give it manually, individually. You can give them at the same time. So that's why the group is used. Like when the group are created and managed when setting up user accounts on a Linux system, or when additional permissions need to be assigned to a specific set of users. And the where it actually group are managed with the etc group that I actually showed you. The advantage are the simplified permission management by allowing administrator to assign permission to a group rather than individual users. Like see, I told you, it actually more easy to assign permission to a group instead of giving them permission individually. And the disadvantage are the limited flexibility in assigning permission to individual users within a group can become a complex to manage if there are numerous groups with overlapping permissions. Then group membership can be abused if not properly monitored. And how I actually showed you and how.
So group is very important part. Basically, it needed for the operating system. It is needed for the application development. Um, so so group means like you have in your application there is so many functionalities, and then you can do two things. Either you have a 2000 users, means 2000 employees, and you can give each of the users the functionality separately, which is so time consuming and so inefficient and ineffective approach. Okay, but you can do a different way. So you create a group, you create many groups, like that's how we implement in everywhere. And then you are giving the functionality permission to the groups. Okay, group A can create users, group B can install the application, group C can create users and can actually the install the application, group D can delete everybody else. You see this, everybody has a different permission. So the way you create the group, now you're actually adding the users into the group. Basically, what are the benefits? So now you are not worried about the user permission. You do not worry. As a DevOps engineer, as an admin, you don't need to worry about the user specific permission. All you are giving the permission to the groups. And whoever is the member of that group, they will actually access those privilege that you have just provided to the group centric in the specific group. So group concept is very important. In the application development, it is we use in the bootcamp sub or any application, we use the group, the permission. It is in the operating system, it is in the cloud, it is everywhere. So know that what I have just explained, this is actually equally you will find in every application development almost. Plus the operating system also has the group management system, which is bypassing the individual user permission. Instead of individual user permission, you just create a groups, and each of the group you give the different group name, and each of the group you are providing the different access permission. Based on this user access, the group access permission, you are adding the members, means the employees or users in specific groups, and they will have those access permission. That's the whole purpose of the group. Okay, you can start now.